Hello everyone, I'm John Sklovunas with NationalDataProtect.com, and I'd like to talk to you a little bit about why you want to back up your critical information with a service like ours. We have a couple of very important points that we hit. The first, of course, is that it's automated. When a backup system is automated, you don't have to think about it. Not thinking about it really takes the worry off. It makes it something that just goes on in the background. It's like having electricity or having your phones work. When it works, it's great, it's there, you don't have to think about it. The other part of automation that's important is, of course, that if it's not automated, you're relying on someone to do a repetitive task. Change a tape, change a hard drive out, take the tape home. In addition to that, you have security factors. If it's on a tape and it's sitting on the back window of somebody's car and they stop for dinner on the way home, if you live someplace like South Florida where our offices are located, that tape just might be melted when they come back out from dinner. You also have security concerns. Those tapes and drives, are they encrypted? Someone happens to lose a tape or lose a hard drive. How easy will it be for a less than scrupulous individual to be able to access that information? Many of you are keeping very important confidential information on your servers. And I don't know about you, but for my own peace of mind, I'd rather make sure that it is automated, encrypted, and kept off-site. Which brings me to the next point, off-site. You want to keep your information at least 50 miles away from where your servers happen to be located. Number one is, if a natural disaster, and again I'll mention South Florida, natural disaster like a hurricane comes by, it's just as likely to take out a location that's nearby as it is to take out my location. So the other thing about 50 miles, for instance, let's say you're using tapes. You can take those tapes and put it in a safety deposit box at your bank. But what if you've lost power? The bank probably has lost power as well, which means you can't get in there to get your tapes to take them somewhere else and recover them. So keep it off-site, keep it 50 miles or more away, keep it electronic so that should you need to go somewhere else, you can bring your servers with you and begin a recovery process. Purchase new servers somewhere else, begin the recovery process. Our service does not limit you as to where you can download and recover your information to, which is a very, very handy feature to have. There was a case a few years ago with a hurricane here in Florida where we were able to recover the contents of an entire server onto a laptop. That client was able to then work within a day of the hurricane having struck, and she was the only one able to work. All of her competitors were closed, she was out there working, and it really helped her business a lot, especially after the hurricane had passed. If you'd like more information, and I hope you do, come check us out at www.nationaldataprotect.com or call us at 305-254-5050. Thank you.